Hi guys, so what I've got here is a Lenovo X230 with one of the loveliest materials I have ever found on a business use laptop. Interesting fact, if you put a little scratch on this thing, you can actually buff it out using a form of cleaner. Right now what I've got is white spirit and a basic glass cleaner, which is what we normally use. I'm going to find out which one is better. Tune in. Alright. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the white spirit. I'm going to try two methods. One, where I apply it directly to the cloth. As you can see, that's getting rid of some of the buffs. And another where I apply it directly to the board and wipe from there. And yes, that's as expected. The one where I apply it directly is a lot moister and the effects last longer. Now, as compared to this, which is drying out fairly quickly, I recommend doing this one out of the two, because then it will allow the white spirit to seep in a bit and you'd be able to buff out the marks more easily. Now, while we're just letting that go, I'm going to do the same thing with the cleaner. One directly onto the tissue and one directly onto the laptop. And we see the exact same thing. The one on the tissue wipes out fairly quickly, and the one at the bottom stays around for a bit more. Now, this has not helped at all in the top corner, so I'm just going to go ahead and say don't apply directly to the tissue, apply directly to the screen at all times. Yep. And I'm getting a lot better effect on this. I'm using different tissues, but honestly, when you're going to be replicating this, because I doubt you're going to believe the results, feel free to do as you like. So, rub back over here. And I'm just going to do a quick wipe off so it's nice and dry, and you can see the full effect on the laptop. Okay, I'm just going to, on the opposite end. Alright, and as you can see, on the white spirit end of things, it's giving a lovely shine, almost looking brand new. This, and on the window cleaner side, it's looking better, but it could look even better than this. As you can see, the clear winner out of the two is the white spirit. So if you're wanting to restore your laptop, just pop a little bit of this beauty on and you're done. Now you can get, this is just a generic brand and you can use anything as a substitute. Till next time, I've been Alex and this has been Gadgets World. Thank you.